Good morning, everybody.
Good
Good
morning,
morning, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, begin with the chapter, page number.
61 last para, Mr. Lam.
Page number
61. Ma'am,
61.
61.
61. Okay. The characters.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, begin.
You could lock yourself up in a room and never leave it. There was a man who did that. He was afraid, you see, of
Okay, so
everything
above all,
in this
we
world.
had all done 1 minute. We had completed. And Mr. Lamb, he just tells Jerry that if he's not interested in answering the questions, okay, that is being asked by Mr. Lamb, he may go out. The door is open. And then he says that how the people, they have different views for different things. For example, he gives the example of the bees. He says people say that bees buzz, but according to me, bees hum. Okay, hum means sings. And he says that according to me, bees, they sing, they do not hum. And I hear my bees singing. He says whenever bees buzz, it looks to him as if the bees are singing. Okay, and Derry says that further Derry says that I came here because he liked the garden, and when he looked over the wall, he saw nobody was there. So Mr. Lamb says, okay, fine. If you would have seen me, you wouldn't have come. Okay, and then he says that he does not like being near people, especially why? Because when they stare, and Derry, he sees that people, they are afraid of him. Yes, now you continue. You could lock yourself.
You could lock yourselves up in a room and never leave it.
Correct. Hmm. Continue, Mahat.
There was a man who did that. He was afraid, you see, of everything in this world. A bus might run him over, or a man might breathe deadly germs onto him, or a donkey might kick him to death, or lightning might strike him down. Or he might love a girl, and a girl would leave him, and he might slip on a banana skins and fall, and people who saw him would laugh their heads off. So he went into this room and locked the door and got into his bed and stayed there
Forever.
for a while.
Then what?
A picture fell off the walls onto his head and killed him.
Terry laughs a lot.
Okay, now Mr. Lamb, he says that
But you,
if you don't, 1 minute, beta, if you don't like to be people, don't like being near people or among people, that would be very strange. And similar incident, he narrates that there was a man who did the same thing. He was afraid of everything. Why? Because everything in this world, he was very much afraid that anything would cause his death. So he always suspected to move out. Why? Because a bus might run over him. He might be killed by a bus. Okay, or a man might breathe deadly germs onto him, or if he talks to somebody, he might breathe deadly germs. Okay, and he might be killed, or a donkey might kick him, or he might be struck by the lightning, बिजली गिर जाएगी, or he might love a girl and the girl would leave him or ditch him, या banana peel पर है ना, slip हो जाएगा banana skin पर, and he might slip and people would laugh at him. So he was very much scared of moving out, and to keep himself safe, he just locked himself in a room. Okay, he just locked the door and he got into his bed, and he thought now he's very safe there inside the room, and he stayed there. Derry says forever he stayed. He locked up he locked himself up in the room, and forever he stayed. So Mr. Lamb कहते no, for some time. Okay, then what happened? Mr. Lamb कहते a picture fell off the wall onto his head and killed him. Okay, death cannot be suspended, right? So whenever it is decided that a person has to die that time, particular time, it's always decided by God. Okay, death and life is always decided by God. Though the means are different, but you cannot suspend it, you cannot avoid it. So similar thing happened with this man also when he was lying, he thought he's very safe. And when he was lying in his bed, a picture, it fell off onto his head and he died. There he starts laughing. Yes, Mr. Lamb.
You see,
But you still say peculiar things.
Peculiar things,
peculiar to
okay?
some.
Peculiar, okay? That is very strange things. Very,
What do you do all day?
Sit in the sun, read books. You thought it was an empty house, but inside it's full books and other things. Full.
But there aren't any curtains at the window.
I'm not fond of curtains, shutting things out, shutting things in. I like the light and the darkness and the windows open to hear the wind.
Yes, I like that. When it's raining, I like to hear it on the roof.
So you are not lost, are you? Not altogether. You do hear things, you listen.
They talk about me downstairs when I'm not there. When will he ever do? What's it going to happen to him when we have gone? However, will he get on in this world looking like that with that on his face? That's why I say.
okay, now say, wait, Derry
Lord
says,
God.
1 minute, Derry says to Mr. Lamb that you really speak peculiar, very strange, unusual things, okay? And then he asked Mr. Lamb about his routine, ki what do you do all day, pura din kya karte ho? So Mr. Lamb, he says that I sit in the sun, I read books, and then he says, oh, you thought it was an empty house. No, it is not empty. Means he says to Derry that he was thinking that it was an empty house because nobody lives there. But later on, Mr. Lamb, he corrects himself and he says that it is not an empty house. Why? Because inside the house, inside my house means his house, it is full of books and other things. Then Derry, he says, you don't have any curtains on the doors or windows. Mr. Lamb, he says that he's not interested. He does not like curtains, Shutting things in, shutting things out means closing everything he does not like. He likes the light and the darkness, means he likes the natural beauty, okay? And the windows open to hear the wind, and the windows are always open. Why? Because he also enjoys the wind, he enjoys the light, he enjoys the sunrise, he enjoys the sunset, he enjoys the darkness, he enjoys the wind and everything. Then Derry, he also accepts something and he says, of course, even I like it when it's raining, I just love to hear the rain, raindrops falling on the roof. I love it. So you are not lost, are you? Not altogether. Oh, Mr. Lamb finds that so he is not lost. Okay, he likes some things. Okay, he is also interested in some things, and you do hear things. You listen, of course. Okay, वास्तव में तुम सुनते हो चीजों को, right? They talk about me downstairs when I'm not there. What will he ever do? What is going to happen to him when we have gone? Now I think so he's talking about his parents ki when I'm not there, the people they talk, but the parents also they are very much worried ki once we are gone means after a death, what will happen to him? How will he ever go on? Means how he is going to live his life in this world looking like that, okay, having this burnt face. Okay, that is what they say. Now see, when he says ki my parents or people, whatever it is, especially the parents, they are very much worried about him as uh, they just keep on talking about him ki once we are dead, okay, suppose if they just pass away from this world, ठीक है, उनकी डेथ के बाद how he is going to continue his life, how he is going to carry on his life, you know, having that burnt face, how will he survive, how will he live? So what is the answer given by Mr. Lamb? Yes.
Lord boy, you have got 2 arms, 2 legs, and eyes and ears. You have got a tongue and a brain. You will get on the way you want, like all the rest, and if you choose and set your mind to it, you could get on better than all the rest.
Yes, he says, oh,
How?
come on, you have got 2 arms, 2 legs, eyes, ears, tongue, and brain. Means you are not handicapped. You are not losing any organ of your body. You can see, you can listen, you can walk, you can speak. Okay, you can move your arms, you can do anything. You will get on the way you want, like all the rest. You are going to lead your life the way you want, like everybody in the world, you know, they are leading their life. Okay, similarly, even you will lead your life, you will lead your life. And if you choose and set your mind to it, and if you choose a particular thing, if you choose an ambition or a aim, a target, okay, and you're going to set your mind to it, you decide to have it, okay, you decide to have that ambition in your life, you could get on better than all the rest. Surely you're going to achieve it in a better manner than the other people. Derry?
How?
Yes, what happened?
How?
Be fast. Mehak?
The lamb.
Same way as I do,
Do you have any friends?
hundreds.
But you live by yourself in that house. It's a big.
Friends everywhere, people come and everybody knows me. The gates is always open. They come and sit here and in front of the fire in winters. Kids come for the apples and the pearls and for the toffees. I make toffees with honey. Anybody comes, so I give. So have you.
But I'm not a friend.
Certainly you are. So far I am concerned. What have you done to make me think you are not?
You don't know me. You don't know where I come from or even what my name is.
Why should that signify? Do I have to write all your particulars down and put them in a filling box before you can be a friend?
I not know.
You could tell me your name if you choose and not if you didn't.
Daddy, only it's a direct, but I hate it. Daddy, if I'm your friend, you don't have to be mine. I choose that.
Certainly.
I might never come here again. You might never see me again, and then I could not still be a
Yes,
friend.
wait here.
Why not?
Beta, wait. Okay. Then he says that you are going to carry on your life better than others once you set your mind to achieve any aim or ambitions. Okay. How? Same way as I do. But kaise I am going to carry on my life? Then Mr. Lam says in the similar manner as I am carrying on my life, I am living my life. Then Derry puts up a question. Does he has any friends? Hundreds, he says. Okay, hundreds means lots and lots of friends I'm having. But you live by yourself in that house. It's a big house too. लेकिन आप तो अकेले ही रहते हो. It is a big house. Mr. Lamb, he says, I have friends everywhere. Okay, people come in. Everybody knows me. The gate is always open. So he says, people, they come inside, they know me, the gate, you know, it is always open. And they come and sit here, they come into the garden, sit in the garden in front of the fire in winter. Then kids, little children, they come for apples and pears and for toffee also. And then he says that he makes toffee with honey, you know. So he says, anybody comes here, anybody, you know, he's welcome. Nobody is being stopped. So have you, and that is why even you have come into my garden. But Derry, you know, he says, I'm not a friend. Mr. Lamb कहता, certainly you are, surely you are. So far as I'm concerned, जहाँ तक मेरी बात है, as far as I'm concerned, okay, as far as it is related to me, you are my friend. What have you done to make me think you are not? Okay, कि तुमने ऐसा क्या करा है? What have you done? Means what? as Daddy done, that Mr. Lamb should not think him as his friend. You do not know me, you don't know where I come from or even what my name is. Now a child, he thinks कि friends वही होते हैं कि people knowing each other very well, okay? People knowing the name, the interest and everything. तो वो कहता है you do not even know me, you do not know from where I have come from and you also do not know my name. How can I be your friend? Why should that signify? Or do I have to write all your particulars down and put them in a filling box before you can be a friend? कहता है what does all these things signify? Okay, ये सब क्या signify करती? क्या मुझे तुम्हारी पूरी डिटेल पूरे particulars किसी फॉर्म में फिल करने पड़ेंगे, है ना, तुम्हें फ्रेंड बनाने से पहले? Okay, I suppose no, not. Now he hesitates. कहता है no, not. This is not the thing. So Mr. Lamb कहते हैं if you choose, if you wish, you can tell me your name, and if you don't want to, don't tell. Derry, only it's Derek, okay? But I hate that. He says, Derry is my name, but Derek actually, but I do not like Derek. So people, they call me Derry. If I'm a friend, you don't have to be mine. I choose that. Now this child, very, this thing, he remains very irritated and he has a very negative aspects towards people, towards life and everything. So he says, okay, fine, you have made me your friend, okay? But I choose that I am not making you, I do not consider you as my friend. Certainly, surely. Then he says, I might never come here again, you might never see me again, and then I couldn't still be a friend, okay? Why he says that you cannot be my friend, why Mr. Lamb cannot be his friend? Because he says that ho sakta hai ki next time I might never come here, okay? You might never meet me again. तो जब हम मिलेंगे ही नहीं आपस में, then how can I be your friend or how can you be my friend? Why not? क्यों नहीं हो सकता? Yes, Derry.
How could I? You pass people in the street and you might even speak to them, but you never see them again. It does not mean they are friends.
Okay, 1 minute. कहता है, how could I, 1 minute, how could I be your friend? You pass people in the street and you might even speak to them, but you never see them again. Okay, this is the truth, isn't it? We pass so many people in the street, at public places and all, and sometimes we speak to them, but we never meet them again. Okay, लेकिन फिर हम कभी उनसे मिलते नहीं हैं. तो वो कहना चाहता है इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी ना कि they are your friends. Yes, turn the page.
Doesn't means they are enemies either, does it?
हाँ.
No, they are just nothing people. That's all.
Now Mr.
People
Lambie
are
says,
just
1 minute, Mr. Lambie says, वो जैसे वो कहता है कि they are not our friends, तो Mr. Lamb कहता है even they are not our enemies. Okay, the friends नहीं है तो enemies भी नहीं है. तो Derry कहता है oh yes, no, they are just nothing, कुछ नहीं है ना, they are just nothing. They are people, okay, सिर्फ लोग हैं, that's all. People are just, people are never just nothing, never, okay. Now Mr. Lamb says people are never equivalent to nothing, okay. There are some people I hate, Derry says. Yes, Mr. Lamb?
that had do you
That would,
more harm than any bottle of acids. That would do you more harm than any bottle of the acids. Acids only burns your face.
Only.
Like a bomb's only blew my legs. There's worse things can happen. You can burn yourself away inside.
okay, now Derry
After I had
says that
sent
there are
him,
so many people, I hate. So what does Mr. Lamb, he say? That would do you more harm than any bottle of acid, okay? Hatred, it is going to burn you from inside, okay? It would be more harmful than a bottle of acid, okay? Acid से ज़्यादा harmful है hatred. Acid only burns your face. Acid ने तो तुम्हारा face ही burn करा है. यदि hatred रखोगे तो internally you will be burnt, okay? Only, अब जैसे ही वो कहता है कि only, तो कहता है Mr. Lamb like a bomb only blew up my leg, okay? I got external injury कि bomb ने मेरा leg जो है it blew up. There's worse things can happen. इससे भी ज़्यादा worse thing, very bad things can happen to a person. You can burn yourself away inside. Inside burning, you got it. Okay, internal hatred and all when you develop, you know. Person कैसा हो जाता है अंदर ही अंदर, है ना? वो internal injuries है that cannot be seen. Mental, you know, then you get mentally very much upset. Yes. Hurry
After
up.
I had come home, one person said he would have been better off stopping in the
Okay,
hospital.
1 minute,
He
wait,
would
but
be
I'll
better
just,
off with the other.
Divya, 1 minute, I'll just finish it up as it is
Okay, ma'am.
already time, okay? After I had come home, one person said he would have been better off stopping in there. In the hospital, he would be better off with others like himself. Now he says that when I returned from the hospital, you know, one person he remarked that it would have been better if he would have stopped in the hospital. अच्छा होता यदि वो hospital में रुक जाता in the hospital, he would be better off with others like himself, and it would have been better for him if he would have been living there in the hospital with other people who were similarly burnt like him. Okay, जिनके similar looks थे, जो इसी की तरह जले हुए थे, उनके साथ रहता तो it would have been better. She thinks, अब जिसने comment करा होगा ये कोई female होगी, तो वो कहता है she thinks blind people only ought to be with other blind people and idiot boys with idiot boys. अब कहता है the person who commented, you know, उसको ये लगा कि blind should always remain with the blind, idiot should always remain with the idiot boys. तो मिस्टर लैम कहते हैं yes, people with no legs altogether. हाँ, उसने कैटेगराइज कर दिया. ओके, कि भाई जो जिनके नो लेग्स हैं वो आगे. मिस्टर लैम कहते हैं okay, lame people, you know, they should be together. That's right. मिस्टर लैम कहते हैं what a kind of a world would that be. कैसी दुनिया होगी. All the deaf together, all the blind together, all the dumb together, all the lame together. Okay. तो डेरी कहता है कम से कम एटलीस्ट देयर वुड बी नोबडी टू स्टेयर एट यू बिकॉज यू वंट लाइक देम. ओके, तो ऐसे में क्या होगा, ओनली यही एडवांटेज होगा कि नोबडी इज गोइंग टू स्टेयर एट यू. व्हाई? बिकॉज ऑल आर सेम. गॉट इट? all are similar like you. Nobody is going to stare at you because they are not going to find anything different or anything strange. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
thank you. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.